Find the inverse of g of x equals 2 times 3 to the x minus 1 power. All right, well, first off, if we're going to do an inverse, let's change that g of x into a y so it looks prettier. And then step 2 is swap the x and the y. So x equals 2 times 3 to the y minus 1 power. Now I need to solve for y, and I have to get rid of three things: a 2, a 3, and a negative 1. Let's divide both sides by 2 first. Divide both sides by 2 first, cross you out. You now have x over 2 equals 3 to the y minus 1. Now that base 3 is in the way. In order to get rid of a base 3, what we're going to do is log base 3 both sides. Log base 3 both sides, and the base 3 and the 3 cancel each other out, leaving us with y minus 1 on the right. On the left, log base 3 of x over 2. Now one more step. Let's add 1 to both sides. Okay, let's add 1 to both sides. And now I have y all alone, and that leaves me with log base 3 of x over 2 plus 1. Now let's turn the y back into its original form, right, which was g of x, and let's make it the inverse. So g inverse of x is going to equal log base 3 of x over 2 plus 1. And that's going to be C, baby.